The Realme 13 Pro and Realme 13 Pro Plus arrived in August, followed by the 13 and 13 Plus in September. That wasn't that long ago, but the Realme 14 family is already in development, and today a new report tells us when to expect its launch. As it turns out, it's sooner than you may have expected. The Realme 14 series should launch in India in January, in order to compete with the Redmi Note 14 line, which is coming sooner. Interestingly, the Realme 14 devices were initially planned to go live in February, but the brand has now preponed the launch to January, perhaps because of Redmi's plans for its Note 14 family. The same report claims pricing of the upcoming handsets will be similar, if not identical to that of their predecessors in the 13 line. Although specs haven't leaked yet, we are hoping to see the Realme 14 models launching with Android 15 on board.